Hello, my dear student. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, we are going to continue our MCQ for PSSC subject. So, question number 52. The voltage regulation of flat voltage profile system is 0%. Option number. Now, question number 53. If faulty data, if faulty data are included in the vector data y, so the estimations algorithm will yield blank estimates of the state. तो हमारा आंसर क्या आएगा? नंबर बी unreliable. Now question number 54. A convenient tool for detecting the presence of one or more bad data in the vector y at any given point of the time is based on the blank, which is based on the option number D, T square test. Now question number 55. In bad data, R may be assumed to be a Gaussian variable, and then the J mean would follow a chi square distributions with blank degree of freedom. तो हमारा आंसर क्या आएगा? ऑप्शन नंबर बी, L is equal to M minus N. In bad data detection, the mean of J mean is equal to L and its variance is equal to 2L. So that means हमारा आंसर क्या आएगा? L and 2L, option number A. Now question number 57. In bad data detection, threshold is option number A, Tj minus Cr. Now question number 58. In presence of bad data, minimize the influence of the bad data on the estimates of the state vector. The estimations index J of x is chosen to be a non-quadratic equation, not quadratic function, option number D. Now question number 59. The power system experienced a peak demand from 6 pm to 10 pm, option number D. Question number 60. Which of the following is not true for forecasting? तो हमारा आंसर क्या आएगा? ऑप्शन नंबर डी. Short range forecasts are less accurate than long range forecasts. That means हमारा आंसर क्या आएगा? ऑप्शन नंबर डी. Now question number 61. Trend projection is an example of which kind of forecasting? Okay, हमारा क्वेश्चन क्या है? Trend projection is an example of which kind of forecasting? हमारा आंसर क्या आएगा? Is time series. That means option number B. Now question number 62. Time series analysis is based on the assumptions that past patterns in the variable to be forecast will continue unchanged into the future. Okay, this is my answer, option number 3. Now question number 63. The step first in the time series analysis is to plot the data on graph. Okay, हमारा क्वेश्चन क्या है? The first step in time series analysis is to plot the data on a graph, option number 3. Now question number 64. If the actual demand for a period is 100 units, but forecast demand was 19 units, okay, 90 units, the forecast error is, हमारा आंसर क्या आएगा? Plus 10, option number B. Now, which of the following is not a forecasting technique? Okay, हमारा आंसर क्या आएगा? ऑप्शन नंबर सी, टाइम होरिजन. Now, question number 66. Short-term regular variations related to the calendar or time of day is known as a seasonality. Option number B. Now, question number 67. Which of the following is not true for forecasting? Okay, तो हमारा आंसर क्या आएगा? short range forecasts are less accurate than long range forecast. That means हमारा आंसर क्या आएगा? ऑप्शन नंबर now 68 number. Forecasting means estimates active load at various load buses. That means the number 8. Now 69 number. Load forecasting require a certain lead time, also called forecasting intervals. That means option number 6. Now 70. Generation is the applications for which forecasting. Okay, questions क्या है? Generation is the application for which forecasting. That means हमारा आंसर क्या आएगा? Very short term, option number 8. Now question number 71. Unit commitment is the applicable for which forecasting? Okay, short term forecasting. Now 72 number. Planning for generation growth is the application for which forecasting? हमारा आंसर क्या आएगा? ऑप्शन नंबर डी, लॉन्ग टर्म. Now 73 number. Planning for seasonal peak is the application for which forecasting? So medium term, option number C. Now 74 number. What is the lead time for short term load forecasting? तो हमारा आंसर क्या आएगा? ऑप्शन नंबर बी, half an hour to few hours. Now question number 75. What is the lead time for long term load forecasting? तो हमारा आंसर क्या आएगा for the long term forecasting? ऑप्शन नंबर डी, few months to few years. ऑप्शन नंबर डी. Now question number 76. What is the lead time for very short term load forecasting? हमारा आंसर क्या आएगा? ऑप्शन नंबर ए, a very few seconds to several minutes. ऑप्शन नंबर ए. Now question number 77. A forecast that is low can result in low revenue for from sales to neighboring utilities or even in load curtailment. Okay, so हमारा आंसर क्या आएगा? लो, ऑप्शन नंबर ए. Now 78. Forecasts that are blank can result in some financial problem due to excessive investment in a plant that is not fully utilized or operated at low capacity factor. तो हमारा आंसर क्या आएगा? हाई, ऑप्शन नंबर सी. Now 79 number. The load is dependent on. Okay, क्या है क्वेश्चन? बहुत जनरल क्वेश्चन है. The load is depends on option number A, B and C, all of the above. That means what? Industrial, weather condition and commercial. The load is depends on industrial, weather condition and commercial. That means all of above. Now 80. Standard analytical function for straight use in trend curve fittings are. तो हमारा आंसर क्या आएगा? ऑप्शन नंबर बी, y is equal to a plus bx. Now 81 number. If the uncertainty of extrapolated result is to be quantified using the statistical entities such as mean and variance, the basic techniques becomes blank extrapolation. That means हमारा आंसर क्या आएगा? ऑप्शन नंबर डी. Which factor are used in correlation technique? हमारा आंसर क्या आएगा? ऑप्शन नंबर डी, all of above. That means populations, employment and building permits. Now 83 number. Which part is most important in estimations of average and trend terms? हमारा आंसर क्या आएगा? ऑप्शन नंबर ए. Now 84 number. In estimations of time series prediction, if YD is subtracted from the sequence y of k. So the result would be a sequence of data for the blank part of the load. तो हमारा आंसर क्या आएगा? ऑप्शन नंबर बी. Now question number 85. Whose prime responsibility is to transport the electricity from the generators to consumers? तो हमारा आंसर क्या आएगा? ऑप्शन नंबर बी, ट्रांसमिशन. Now question number 86. Who can produce and sell electricity? तो हमारा आंसर क्या आएगा? जनरेशन. ऑप्शन नंबर ए. Now question number 87. Whose responsibility is buy wholesale electricity either through the spot markets or through the direct contracts with GenCos and supply the electricity to the end users? हमारा आंसर क्या आएगा? ऑप्शन नंबर सी, डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन. Now question number 88. Whose responsibility is buy electricity from the spot markets by bidding for purchase or may buy directly from a GenCo or even from the local distribution company? Okay, so हमारा आंसर क्या आएगा? कस्टमर. ऑप्शन नंबर सी. Now question number 89. Whose responsibility is ensuring the reliability and security of the entire system? हमारा आंसर क्या आएगा? ऑप्शन नंबर डी, ISO. Now 90. What is the responsibility of independent system operator? हमारा आंसर क्या आएगा? ऑप्शन नंबर डी, all of the above. That means A, B and C. All of the above. Now question number 91. What is the main criteria in the Electricity Act 2003? So all of the above over here also. So option number A, B and C, which are the main criteria in the Electricity Act 2003. That means हमारा आंसर क्या आएगा? ऑप्शन नंबर डी. Now 92 number. Which are the main benefits from the deregulations? Okay, कौन सा benefits है deregulations यूज करने का? तो हमारा आंसर क्या आएगा? ऑप्शन नंबर ए, number B and option number C. These are the main benefits using the deregulation. Okay, so हमारा आंसर क्या आएगा? ऑप्शन नंबर डी, all of the above. Now 93 number. Blank degree of the deregulations in wholesale competitions markets. हमारा आंसर क्या आएगा? सेकंड डिग्री. That means option number C. Now blank degree of the deregulations in single buyer competition markets. हमारा आंसर क्या आएगा? 1 डिग्री, फर्स्ट डिग्री. ऑप्शन नंबर बी. Now question number 95. Blank number of seller in monopoly markets. हमारा आंसर क्या आएगा? फर्स्ट नंबर. That means option number A. Now 96 number. Blank number of buyer in single buyer markets. हमारा आंसर क्या आएगा? ऑप्शन नंबर A, 1. Now 97 number, an important question. Find the correct grid arrangement. Okay, so इधर हमारा आंसर क्या रहा है? ऑप्शन नंबर सी. ऑप्शन नंबर सी, that means NLDC, RLDC, SLDC, LDC and end में RTU. So now into the examinations they may asking full form of this all one. That means suppose 98 number हम considerations करते हैं. NLDC, that means what? National Load Dispatch Center. Then RLDC का full form क्या होगा? Regional Load Dispatch Center. That means RLDC. Then SLDC, that means what? State Load Dispatch Center. Now 101. ALDC, that means what? Area Load Dispatch Center. That means ALDC. And RTU, that means Remote Terminal Unit.